Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about insulation. Solaro Energy manufactures a myriad of different types of insulation products. They're all based on reflection technology and also nanotechnology. Basically what I'm trying to say is our products are designed to reflect infrared energy. They're used in connection and in conjunction with standard insulation products like fiberglass and cellulose. The fiberglass can be blown in or the cellulose can be blown in, but fiberglass and cellulose products do not offer any infrared rejection. They can't. That's not what they're designed to do. They're designed to slow down heat transfer. That's what the R means. R means resistance. My products and Solaro Energy products are designed to reflect infrared energy. So when you're using the two products together as a system, they work phenomenally. So let me show you one of the first products that we have. This is called Solaro Shield blown-in product. And this product, I'll open up the bag here in just a second and show you what it's all about. We're going to do one of the cavities here in our demo house and show you what it looks like, and then we'll show you how our product works with our rolled product, and they'll be right next to each other. Each product has its benefit, each product has its use. So let's experiment with this. I'll show you how it works. I think you really enjoy it. So come along with me on this little test. Okay, so we're going to place the Solaro Shield blown-in product into this cavity, and then on this cavity here, I'm going to show you how our rolled-in Solaro Shield product works. So let me open up this bag. This product is sold already pre-designed, I guess, in particular particle size, and so you'll order this product based on your use. And talk to your sales consultant. They'll fill you in on more of the details. This is a patent pending product. We're very proud of it. It's as green a product as you could possibly get, because what we're doing is we're repurposing the trim that we normally would have to throw away into the landfills. So no more landfill product. We're just recycling a product that we use from our rolled product. So I'm going to show you the consistency. It's very, very light. Bring the camera over here, Mr. Cameraman. You can see better how it works. All right, so you can see here, very, very loose, very light. All of these metallic particles you see here, that's pure aluminum that's been metallized onto a substrate. All of these particles of aluminum here are going to reflect infrared. But what's really cool about this product, it has all the benefits of spray foam and none of the negatives. Spray foam is a wonderful product, has a lot of benefits. But once you put spray foam down, like I just put around those cans, you're not going to get it up till you chisel it up. It has great R value. We have the same R value, the same effectiveness, but if you need to get into the cavity where you put this, you just move it away like this. It's a lot easier. It's not hydroscopic. This will float for 100 years, so it will not absorb any moisture, but it permeates and lets moisture work through it. So if your roof got a leak for some reason, it got into this material, it's not going to mold. So we have, it's got a lot of benefits, and the insulated value is phenomenal. You cannot get infrared reflecting characteristics in any type of product, spray foam included. So I'll show you how this works. Now, going over how the product is applied, we usually recommend that it's applied with a blowing unit. On small jobs, you literally can use a leaf blower. And the leaf blower you'll suck out of the box and then extend a 3-inch hose and blow the product wherever you'd like to. We'll attach a link to this video and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to give you a demonstration between the two products. Right here I have a piece of standard fiberglass insulation, and right here I have the Solaro Shield product. This is 2 bowls of water. I'm going to take the fiberglass product, and the reason for this example is to show you that the fiberglass is hydroscopic. Well, hydroscopic, what I mean by that is its ability to absorb moisture. So if I take this fiberglass and just put it in the water like this, it's going to immediately start absorbing moisture. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see how the water's squeezing out? So when this fiberglass is installed in your attic and you have a high level of humidity outside, that fiberglass actually becomes less of an insulator because it's becoming saturated with moisture. Now I'll take the Solaro Shield product. What you'll notice is it literally floats on top. It will not absorb any moisture. It'll stay like that forever. Now, if you bring the camera over here closer, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So the fiberglass product's already sunk down to the bottom of the bowl. It's completely saturated. It's useless as an insulator. We've had it the same amount of time. I've made my point, I'm pretty sure you can tell. Fiberglass is very absorbing of moisture. This is the Solaro Shield product. It will not go down. It will not sink to the bottom. I'll dip my hand in here. You'll see, can you zoom in here a little bit? You'll see that it's all floating in the top. See how it's floating in the top? So you can see, I'm doing my best to get this to absorb, but all it does is float on the top. That'll be like that forever. So, which product do you think will be a better insulator? The Solaro Shield or this product right here? Now, I'm not telling you that fiberglass can't be a good product. I'm just showing you the superiority of the Solaro Shield product. Now let's get back to our... Okay, today we're going to talk about Solaro Energy's revolutionary reflective insulation. We call this multi-layered reflective insulation. We also brand our insulation products Solaro Shield. This is a revolutionary product. There's nothing else like it in the market, in the way that it's constructed, in the way that it's designed, and the level of efficiency. In a 4-inch cavity is what we're looking at here. The R value has been, as tested, is 17.9. That's an R value of 17.9 in a 4-inch cavity. Very, very effective. What this unit really does well is it's great at reflecting in infrared. So we talked about some of our other products, very high infrared reflectivity rating, about 98%. We get that because of the dual layer of technology that we have, the very special type of reflective material that we use, plus our very special interior polymer core. There's multiple materials on the inside. This is not like any competitive product. You'll find that any product that Solaro Energy makes, it's always going to be better than the competitors, and we have to be better because we're trying to develop products that create value and also make a difference. These differences have to be measurable. So we've installed and sold millions of square foot of this product. When I say we've installed, I don't mean Solaro, because we do not do any installations, but our dealers around the country have installed millions of square foot of this product with zero problems. So I think you'll find that this product will do quite well for you as well. I'm going to demonstrate to you how it can be installed over conventional fiberglass or cellulose. You do not need it on the Solaro Shield blown-in product. You can use it as the only insulation in a cavity like this, say for example in your garage, if you just want to improve the efficiency of your garage. It's an excellent way to do it. What you're basically going to do is you're going to lay it out over the cavities and staple it so that it'll hold in place, and you'll have a doubling of insulated value at a minimum in your garage. But where it really shines is taking advantage of the thermal characteristics of fiberglass or cellulose and then improving it by adding the infrared reflectance characteristics. As I've mentioned to you in several videos before, standard insulation products like fiberglass or cellulose do not offer any ability to reflect infrared. That's why the two products, when used together, offer so much value and so much performance. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and cut a piece that will fit here. I'll also cut a piece that will fit there, and I'll show you what it looks like installed. Just give me a second to put it together, and we'll come back in just a minute. I've decided to go ahead and cover all three of these bays just because of good demonstration purposes. So Ryan, come over here and help me get this through here. So let's go ahead and roll it together. One of the things you'll find is because of the special polymers that we use, it's a very easy product to work with. And grab the end of that, Ryan. All right, now let's go ahead and make notches here so we can pull this forward, and you're going to staple it here and around here, and then you're going to also put a few staples here just to make it look pretty.
All right.
While Ryan's doing that, I'm going to get a piece of this material and demonstrate something to you that's quite important. If you look here, you'll see all the perforations. These perforations are designed to allow moisture to migrate from one side to the other. That's something that makes our product completely different than our competitors, because these perforations will not self-heal and they'll not close up because of the proprietary system that we use. Can you see that in the video, Ryan?
Yes.
See the little bits of light?
Yeah, you can see that light.
Beautiful. Now, what's interesting about this technology is that this does not need to be 100% sealed. This is a blanket. It's not there to hold air in. It's there to simply reflect energy, infrared. So, but we want it to make it look nice, and so we're going to go ahead and lay it in a typical installation. They'll just lay it on your existing installation in your home. We do not recommend putting it up on the ceiling. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We do not recommend putting it up here, because what happens is it gets overly hot. And if it's overly hot, if we put it up here like this, if we staple it up here, it works so good that we can reflect too much infrared back up and damage your shingles. There are a few cases where the installers will install it, say for example halfway up, but they'll leave the upper area open, but we must be able to remove the air with the Solaro air ventilation fans. But let's take a look at what we've done here. Do you have a stapler? Perfect. Let's go ahead and just simply make a few staples here. And then if you wouldn't mind, I'll pull this tight and you just reach in there, give this a few staples, would you please? All right. And put a couple right here. Okay, we're all done. It's a very attractive product. Very, very effective. If you're interested in learning more about this, please contact Solaro Energy, www.solaroenergy.com, and just ask for our marketing and sales department. You can talk to us, and we'll get you hooked up and set up to be a dealer or distributor. Remember, we don't sell to the public. We sell to professional installation companies. because they need to be trained properly how to put this product in. Thank you very much for watching.